Hello everyone, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to hide your search bar in Windows 10. This is a very easy and simple trick. Just go to your taskbar and right click on it, and there you will have a option called search, and after expanding the search option you will find option called hidden. So just click on it and you'll see the search bar is gone. So if you want to just show the icon of the search bar, so just click on taskbar, and here you will find the option show search icon. So just click on it and you'll see just the search icon. You can work from here, just type here and search icon. So if you just back it again, just click the show search box. So there it is. So you can modify it as you wish. So that's it. That's how you hide your search bar in Windows 10, or just the icon you want in Windows 10. So if you find this video helpful, just subscribe to my channel, and thanks for watching. So that's it.